My daughter was in a car accident, and she was driving a car that had insurance, and the person that hit her was a uninsured person. She didn't get a lawyer because it was her cousin, and she didn't want to file anything on that policy because she didn't want it to go up. What advice that you could give me on whether she should still probably get an attorney for that?
Yes. Sheila, you've got a question that reads exactly like a typical phone call in my office, that an individual has been hurt in a wreck and they're trying to feel through, these moving parts of, should I make a claim, shouldn't I, do I have coverage, don't I have coverage. Here's where the magic happens, and it often takes an attorney that does what I do to process through the available sources of insurance. If the other driver does not have coverage, we would be in an uninsured motorist situation. The Mississippi uninsured motorist statute provides that the individual that has, uninsured motorist in their name, or a blood relative that they have a residence with has the insurance in their name, they would be entitled to this uninsured motorist coverage. So if you have a full coverage policy that has this uninsured motorist coverage on it, if even if grandma lives with you, has her own auto insurance policy, blood relative, and that all fits for your daughter potentially to be entitled to uninsured motorist coverage that you might not have even thought about. So there's these policies out there, and in any particular claim, we investigate. We're asking these questions, is there another blood family member that has an auto policy? And we're finding coverage that folks didn't know they had. And so a claim would go from $0 to be able to pay for medical bills to, maybe a stacked uninsured motorist policy that is $75,000 or $100,000 to pay for these injuries. So we don't leave well enough alone. We go look, we investigate, and that is one of the benefits of talking to an injury attorney about your type of claim.